petitioner. With your
Next time when you appear before the court, please wear a proper collar and do not tie the band over your neck. Calcutta High Court is the oldest High Court. So you should maintain the decency and the decorum which is to be followed.
Definitely, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
What is the matter?
Yes, ma'am. Your lordship, with your lordship permission, I would like to mention the fact of the matter of the writ petition application.
Tell me what is your prayer?
Prayer. Actually, my lord, the fact which I would like to share with your lordship, this is very crucial. I would like to.
I would like to hear the prayer first and then go back to the facts.
Okay. I am seeking for the stay the notice issued by the Executive Magistrate Lalbagh Court. Firstly,
Stay the notice
stay the notice and
issued by the
Your lordship will find that in the supplementary,
Executive Magistrate Lalbagh Court.
not in the writ petition.
Yes, yes, no, I have already
Executive Magistrate of the Lalbagh Court.
Lalbagh Court.
The proper party is not here.
No, I have made this writ petition against the police station Murshidabad.
All right.
So I am telling you, my lord, that the fact is very crucial. I would like to explain before your lordship so that it will be very
Where is your
easy.
supplementary affidavit?
Yes.
Yes.
Page 4.
Should I
Page
continue?
4. Yes, I can see page 4.
This is the notice. Perhaps he is challenging through stay, my lord. Lord, what happened, my lord? May I simply state, my lord? He is the father of a deceased, my lord, and he,
Petitioner is the father of the deceased.
Father,
out of a matrimonial dispute, his contention is his daughter has been murdered.
All right.
The postmortem report says she committed suicide.
All right.
At the time of conducting the postmortem, my lord, the relatives and the in-laws of the deceased were there before around the, my lord, the PM room, and they committed a gradual nuisance. And other bodies were there who came for the postmortem, and the nuisance were committed. So to maintain that, my lord, 107 and 115, we enforce it, my lord. And what happened, my lord, after that, Lord, he lost the FIR. We take the FIR and we are investigating. And in the meantime, my lord, on 10/4 of 2024, on the date of occurrence, this 107, 115 was there. And he was aware of this, and he did not utter any word in the writ petition regarding this, and that has not been annexed. After filing of the writ petition, even after passing of the order by the previous, your lordship's previous bench, my lord, this supplementary affidavit has been affirmed 2 or 3 days back, and in this supplementary affidavit he prays for the stay of these 115 and 107 notice.
The incident occurred in front of the PM room.
Yes.
Right. 107, will it be applicable over there?
Sir, what happened, my lord? There are other bodies which came for the purpose of PM, and what they did.
Now, once the PM is over, the person will go from there.
Not happened that, my lord. What they did, my lord, some of the police personnel and the constables were there. They did a fight with. Practically, there was a fight, and some of the mobile phones of the police personnel were damaged. These are
And then is 107 the proper remedy?
so 107. They were bound to do that, my lord, to bring them to so that they can be cooled off, because this has happened, my lord.
Now, what are you proposing to do?
Lord, we are investigating the offense, my lord. The FIR.
Which offense? 107 is no offense.
The FIR, the main FIR, what he has lodged. This 107, 115, 14 is the date fixed.
The main page 17, I can see 498A 306 34.
Yes, that is there. We are investigating on that. Well, 2 persons are there. Well, 2 accused persons, 1 husband.
What is the report of this FIR?
On previous occasion, I have filed it. But the husband has been arrested, and the father-in-law, 73-year acute asthma patient, he is staying out of the state, and for medical treatment purpose, whenever, my lord, we can cash hold of him, my lord. This is the situation and nothing more.
May please, my lord. My lord, please see page number 4, para number 6.
A complaint under section 498A and all these things are there. The police is proceeding with it.
Yes.
You want anything more now?
Madam, I fair and impartial investigation is not
Possible
possible.
Why?
Through the as
police.
we didn't get we didn't reach the body of the deceased daughter.
You didn't get the body?
No. Body was handed over to the husband of the deceased daughter and his in-laws. There were so many wound marks over the body, but we are not allowed to see the wound mark over there. And they put ourselves to the lockup, police lockup, and assaulted by the officials, our female members. And after they just released us with one condition, that if they will not give the body of the deceased daughter, they will
Now
hand
the
over-
body has been cremated.
Yes.
What is to be done now?
No, madam, please have a look. Page number 4, para number 6.
Yes.
The deceased has been tortured by her husband and father-in-law day by day for dowry demand. So on 7/4/2024, she was tortured by her husband.
I have read this. Now a case has been registered.
Yes, my lord, case has been registered, but the chaos happened over there. I am the poor farmer and the victimized father of the deceased daughter. That time, my mental condition is not in the proper position at that time. That time, complaint was written by some local person, and they forced me to sign over there. There is not mentioned that my daughter was murdered by her husband and father-in-law or in-laws family, member of in-laws family. So I am here victimized. CC footage is present over the house of the husband of the deceased. We have prayed for the CC footage of concerned police station, as well as at the actually on the date of occurrence, that is 10/4/2024.
The incident occurred in April 24
Yes.
in the house of the
Matrimonial house of
husband of the deceased.
yes.
Do you think the husband is going to preserve the CCTV footages for so long so that the evidence can pass on to you?
Yes, police have
Arrest on that
tampered the evidence, totally tampered. They are very influential. They resides in Murshidabad district. We belongs from Nadia district. We are very weaker.
I have followed it.
Yeah.
Has the police collected the CCTV footages?
No, my lord.
Well, why not?
No, my lord.
What type of investigation is the
No,
police
my lord.
doing?
What happened, my lord? The CCTVs are not working.
Not working.
Not working.
And even if it is working, now their report will be that it's not working.
Videography of
No.
postmortem last occasion, Honorable Justice directed the state to collect the videography of postmortem. So
Has that been done?
No.
Why?
No, unless a special circumstances is there, my lord, no video.
No, because she says there is a court's order for videography of the.
No, my lord, kindly spell the order, my lord. Kindly please. If there is any CCTV footage, he came. The matter was heard on 15th of June. So sorry, my lord, 15th of May.
The state shall also file a report regarding the progress of investigation and also specify whether the postmortem examination was videographed.
That has not been videographed.
It has not been videographed.
So, please investigate, kindly pass an order to investigate the matter through CID, ma'am, as here an impartial investigation is not possible by the police authority. of the police station, concerned police station, as the husband and the all in-laws are the under umbrella of the concerned police station. They are very much husband are they are very much influential, and day by day threatening us to murder us, and they will tell that.
Did you lodge complaint? They are threatening you with
Yes.
dire consequences. Did you lodge complaint?
Yes,
Where is the complaint?
no complaint. I didn't take.
Somebody is threatening you with dire consequences.
I have phone calls. Actually, give me some time. I will produce the phone calls through. Mm,
Please come. The
Milord,
petitioner
one
is
more
an
thing, please.
unfortunate father.
Milord, with your honor's permission, Milord, one prayer. Please set aside the. Please stay the order passed by the executive magistrate. We are very scared. They will. Involved us in false and fabricated cases over there. Please stay the notice.
Notice page 4.
Page 4 of the supplementary.
A supplementary affidavit.
Shulekha Biswas, Beauty Chakraborty.
Yes.
Not
Sulekha
against
Sulekha Vishwas is the
mother.
no, not mother. She is the elder daughter, another daughter of the deceased father, and another one, number 4, is the sister of the
Sister of-
wife of the
Both
sister
are
of the
sisters.
wife of the father.
They are also police personnel.
Actually,
They are also police personnel.
they
Who are police personnel?
These persons against whom the 107 is there.
Shulekha Biswas, Beauty Chakraborty, they are police personnel. They are in service with the
Yes.
police.
Yes.
And who else is there in service with the police?
Madam?
Anybody else is there in service? Both these ladies are with the police.
Madam.
And did the deceased do something? Was she in the police service or anything of that sort? No.
Daily laborer.
She was a
He was daily laborer. The father, the petitioner is the daily laborer.
farmer. He is a farmer.
the unfortunate father of a girl, no, of a woman. Who died on 10th of April 2024 in the house of her in-laws. Stop. On the complaint lodged by the petitioner, a first information report being 246/24 dated 10th April 2024 was registered under sections 498 caps A /306/34 IPC. Stop. Paragraph. The petitioner submits that her daughter was murdered for not meeting up the demand of dowry of her in-laws. Stop. Next. The body of her daughter was not handed over to the petitioner. Stop. The petitioner was not even permitted to remain present at the time of post-mortem. Stop. The other daughters of the petitioner, that is the sisters of the deceased, who were present in front of the post-mortem room, were taken into custody, and a proceeding has been initiated against them. Being Murshidabad PS case number 695/24 dated 10th April 2024 under section 151/107 CRPC. Stop. The petitioner submits that the in-laws of her daughter are extremely influential persons, and they are threatening the petitioner and his family members with dire consequences if steps are taken to proceed with any complaint with regard to the incident of death of his daughter. Stop paragraph. It has been submitted that there are CCTV cameras installed in the matrimonial house of the deceased, but the police has not taken any steps to collect evidence from the same. Stop. The investigation is being conducted in a perfunctory manner. Stop. Next. The petitioner prays for a direction for handing over the investigation to the Criminal Investigation Department. Stop paragraph. Learned advocate representing the state respondents submits upon instruction that a case has already been registered on the death of the daughter of the petitioner, and the same is being proceeded with in the proper manner. Stop. As regards the query put forth by the court on 15th May 2024 with regard to videography of the post-mortem examination, it has been submitted that videography has not been made. Stop. It has been submitted that in the course of investigation, it has been revealed that the CCTV installed in the house of the husband of the deceased were non-functional. Stop. Next paragraph. From the submission made on behalf of the parties and upon perusal of the materials placed before this court, it appears that the petitioner is under that the petitioner is apprehending serious threat in the hands of the in-laws of his deceased daughter. Stop. More than 2 months have expired from the death of the daughter, but there is but the investigation does not appear to have proceeded much. Stop. Though it has been submitted that the husband of the deceased was arrested, but even thereafter, the petitioner is receiving telephonic threats on regular basis. Stop. Next. Apprehension has been disclosed before the court with regard to tampering of evidence. Stop. Next. Accordingly, the court thinks it fit to direct the concerned investigating officer to hand over all the documents in relation to the instant case to the Additional Director of Police, CID. The Criminal Investigation Department is directed to proceed with the investigation in a diligent manner and try to reach at its logical conclusion at the earliest. Stop. Next. Paragraph. In the event the petitioner continues to receive any further threat in the hands of the in-laws of the deceased or from their men and agents, it will be open for the petitioner to lodge appropriate complaint before the Superintendent of Police, Murshidabad. Stop. Next. The proceeding in connection with the Murshidabad PS case number 695/24 dated 10th April 2024 registered against the sisters of the deceased is directed to be stayed for the time being. Stop. Next. Let the matter appear in the list on 15th of July 2024. Stop. An updated report shall be filed by the learned advocate representing the state on the adjourned date. Supplementary affidavit filed on behalf of the petitioner be taken on record.
Milord, two things, Milord. On the last occasion, this court was pleased to direct to produce CD.
Yes. Have you produced?
No, Milord. What happened, Milord? The direction, the matter to appear on 25th of June. The last evening, I received the notice from the petitioner side. That matter.
Yes, because she was fearing
there is no
threats.
difficulty, but on that during
I
that
will-
Milord, I was unable to bring that.
আসুন এটা দাঁড়ান একটা অর্ডার দিচ্ছি একটু লিখুন যে learned advocate representing the state respondent submits that the case diary could not be produced today as the matter appeared in the list on preponement
Yes.
on the prayer made by the learned advocate representing the petitioner. Stop. Prayer has been made to permit the respondents to produce the case diary on the adjourned date. Stop. Let the case diary be produced on the adjourned date.
Milord, I would like to mention one thing. Notice issued against two persons. One is my deceased, another elder daughter, and one is my sister of the wife of.
The proceeding of that case has been stayed for the time being.